Hello everybody, welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day out there today. And what we're going to do in this video is we're going to do some mountain bread toast with some sauteed mushrooms on top. So this is the mountain bread. It's made with whole wheat flour and it has some brown sugar and molasses in it that gives that brown color. We have some sliced mushrooms here. We have three types. We have the white button mushroom, we have the baby bella mushrooms, and we have some shiitake mushrooms. So that's our mushroom mixture. And we're gonna saute that off with some chopped shallots here. We have a mixture of fresh herbs. I have some rosemary in here, some basil, and some cilantro and parsley chopped up nice and fine there. We have some chopped garlic over here. And we're gonna chop this sweet red pepper and put that in there as well. And we're going to season it with our salt, pepper, and garlic mixture. And we're going to add some heavy cream. I got a quarter cup of heavy cream here. And I got a quarter cup of white wine. So this is going to be a nice elevated dish. And then to add a little acidity to it, we're going to squeeze the juice out of this one lime here. And once we get our toast ready, we're going to top it with some of this Fontina cheese. And we're going to melt that down on top. So these are our ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, one more thing. We have 2 tablespoons of butter as well. So we're gonna get this started. I'm gonna show you how to make some very good mountain bread and mushroom toast. Okay, so we have our pan getting hot with some oil in it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna saute the mushrooms off first, get them nice and brown. We're gonna remove them from the pan. Then we're gonna add the shallots, the garlic, and the red peppers. We're going to saute that off some. Then we're going to deglaze the pan with the red wine, and then we're going to add the mushrooms back and finish our sauce off with the heavy cream and the butter and the fresh herbs. So that's going to be our technique today, and I'm going to show you how we get it done.
Yeah.
Okay, after about 5 or 6 minutes, the mushrooms will cook down. They do contain a lot of liquid, so the liquid will evaporate as they cook down. So once we get to this point, we'll remove the mushrooms and then we'll add our other vegetables to saute those off. All right, so we have everything in the pan cooking now. What I'm gonna do is, I like a little spice in my food, so I'm gonna add some of this Cajun seasoning here. It's nice and spicy. Just put a little bit of that in there. If you like, you can add some chili flakes or some cayenne pepper. So we're gonna reduce this down just a little bit so our sauce will get a little thicker, and then we'll be ready for our toast. All right, so we have our toasted bread, our mushrooms, and our Fontina cheese on top. We're going to place this in the broiler now, melt the cheese on the top, and then we'll be ready to serve it. All right, everyone, this is our finished dish. I plated it up with a little bit of cherry tomato and basil salad here. Put a couple of shreds of that Fontina cheese on top. We put this under the broiler to melt the cheese. As you can see, we got some nice stringy cheese there, so that's good. It smells really great. So what we're going to do is, as always, we're going to give it a nice taste test. So our bread got a little toasted there, which is also a good thing. I'm just going to cut right here. And let's take another cut right here out the center. It's nice and hot, still steaming. Melted cheese. We're going to give this a nice taste here. Okay, very tasty, very tasty. I could eat a bowl of these mushrooms with some cherry tomatoes on top, probably all by themselves, and enjoy that just as much. But I want to thank everybody for viewing. I hope you try this recipe at home. I'm going to put everything, the ingredients in the content list below. And I want to thank you for viewing Willa Dean's Kitchen, and you have a nice day.